Well, hey, everybody. Hey, today's thoughts are all about self-development, and I've been seeing more and more of these ads from an online service called BetterHelp, which is all about, it's global, and it's all about therapy, therapists around the world that people can go and hire. And I'm all for that. But what does give me some concern, though, and again, it's from personal experience, is what is the true caliber and the expertise of the individuals and even people that have been doing it for whatever, 10, 15 more years, that I would encourage people to go and vet more of what exactly is their qualification, who is it recognized by, and does the overall head body, such as here we have the British Therapeutic Society, the BTS, do they acknowledge it? And what raises this question for me is a few years ago, I got involved in where you could get what was called an RCT certificate, Registered Therapeutic Counselor. And I went through an organization which then, and as of last year, doesn't even exist, called ClearMind. And again, the education of their first year was more or less a bullet point PowerPoint presentation that they would skip through even some of the chapters saying, oh, we don't really know this, so we're not the best people to talk about it. I'm thinking, well, why wouldn't they bring in other experts in those various fields? But that organization wouldn't do that. The two founders, which have now taken the name of ClearMind and moved it back onto themselves. So like, what does that even tell you right there? And again, the short of the story, when I raised my concerns about some of the things that were going on to the British Therapeutic Society, especially one individual who's a so-called master therapist, who I confronted about her just complete and utter judgmental, doom and gloom, pessimistic attitude. And she couldn't even handle a basic phone call. She had to text message her values, which she would then later go on to contradict herself in a letter. It's just like even the lack of common sense is something else of what this person exposed herself. And I've got, evidence, which is phenomenal. But anyways, that certificate, the RCT, the British Therapeutic Society, they don't even recognize them. They don't associate with them, and they're banned because they don't have the skills, the qualification to the professional standards. So again, I'm all for getting out there, getting the skills and what have you, but I would please do a little bit of your own due diligence of how truly qualified, recommended, reviews, what have you, because if people can't do things themselves, then how can they really be teaching other people, let alone couples? All right? Hey, sending you lots of love, inspiration. Take care.